Hi everyone, today we are going to walk through the Voice of the Customer Accelerator, and this accelerator demonstrates how communication with customers can be analyzed by Watson to provide a high-level view of sentiment towards products, services, and overall brands, and really helps companies understand what is it that their customers are talking about. So let's begin by logging in. The username here is Watson and the password is password with the A as an @ sign and the O as a 0. Then hit continue. Okay, so immediately I'm taken to a dashboard view for my overall company. And there's a lot to digest here, so I'll walk you through the highlights, but I really encourage everyone to play around here so you can really understand the accelerator's true potential. So the first thing to note is that I can get a by channel view of my data. And this is important because whereas other contact center solutions are limited to data that's just coming in from a call center, this solution incorporates additional data sources such as chat logs and forums. You could also add social media. And clicking on these tabs will give you effectively a filter of that information for that specific channel only. So working from top to bottom here, I can see my brand perception over time, and this is percentage of positive perception. And I can also change the time period to customize the range for the data shown. And clicking on any of these data points, Watson could provide insight as to maybe why there was a dip in perception. Is that a news-based event or things of that nature? And so moving down the page here, I can see my current brand sentiment broken out by positive, neutral, and negative. And this is thanks to the language analysis capabilities in Watson Discovery Service. I can also see the top products mentioned and the percentage of negative mentions by product. And clicking on these products here will give me a by product view for that information. So here I've clicked on iPhone 6, and I can see the product sentiment for the iPhone 6. The top concepts mentioned for iPhone 6, again, can filter by time. I can see the product perception over time, again, filter by time period, and the keywords mentioned, all for the iPhone 6. And then going back to the main page, I can also see the most popular topics and the most popular features mentioned. And these entities extracted come from the annotations that are performed in Watson Knowledge Studio. So this accelerator comes with a limited pre-trained Watson Knowledge Studio model on telco products. So if you want to train your own WKS model, it's required that you would have a product entity type annotated so that you could get to this type of information. And again, scrolling back up to the top here, you can filter this information by a variety of channels. And there really is a lot to this accelerator, so I encourage you to play around with it on your own and log back in, and you'll be able to see, for example, the audio call, length of calls in minutes. You can see for a specific channel the negative mentions for that channel, so there really is just a lot that you can do. So that's it for today. This is our Voice of the Customer Accelerator, and it's applicable to any company who wants to be able to really get to an understanding of what their customers are saying about their brand, their products, and their services. And this can be adopted in a modular approach, so you could start with, let's say, audio calls and expand to different channels over time. Definitely be sure to check out our other call center solutions by visiting the Understand pattern on our homepage. Write us a review, let us know what you think, what we can change, and thanks for watching.